Mashed potatoes, Virgin Beach style, is the title of our VirginBeachCebu vlog number 60. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're here in California because of the COVID, but dreaming of being at the resort. We have an Ala Carte menu in our restaurant, and one of the items is the mashed potatoes. This video will show how we make it. Be sure and like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching the video. We are open for business, and we look forward to serving you soon at the resort. Please leave your comments and questions below.
Hello everyone. Now we're going to show how we make our mashed potato along Virgin Beach. So these are the ingredients. We mash already the potatoes, and then of course the butter. Next is the milk, and salt and pepper to taste. This time we put the mashed potato, and then is the butter. Mix it. And then we put the evaporated milk, or we can use the fresh milk. We put some salt and pepper to taste. Yeah. And for the tasting,
this is our finished product of mashed potato.
I will come every time. Look at the view. Sorry, I cannot figure out to eat. Exactly like my mother did, you know, exactly. In Germany, I'm from Germany.